Hi guys, it's Christy from the Sweely Life. We are getting ready to start Vlogmas, and this is day 2 of Vlogmas, and you get to see us decorate our tree. I hope you enjoy. I spy someone going where he's not supposed to be. Wonder how this will end up. Henry? 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 What are you doing? Well guys, as you see, it's a new day. I have new clothes on. And the tree still looks like this.
Hey guys, this is a part of our day 2 vlog for December, but I'm just gonna say hi, what's up anyways. Me and my mom are going to set up all the Christmas ornaments, and we're gonna time lapse it, so I hope you enjoy.